love here. Very beautiful place. Panglao.
It's kau berpanggit. Panggit kau bu. Good.
Nami karon diri sa kuan din. Alo na. Beach Panglao. Alo na beach Panglao Bohol. Very nice. Indot kay guys. Very beautiful. Nice view. White sand. Oh my god.
Oh, back.
Sand. White sand.
What's the Superman boat?
Superman boat? Ah, ocean din. What's that? Superman? Yeah, Superman. Very
No.
nice.
Give me the. Stop it.
Guys, see you later. I love you. Beach Resort. Look at that, guys. Very white sand. Woo. So beautiful, guys. So beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. Andito ako ngayon sa Alona Beach. Alona Beach. Alona Beach, guys. So, I hope you enjoy watching my video, guys, and I will give you more videos later. So, since today we are visiting and having holiday here at Alona Panglao Beach Resort, and we will be staying here for a while because some of my friends inviting me for dinner, birthday dinner tonight at the pool. So I hope you enjoy watching my video, guys, and I do hope that you really watch my video and join my journey while I trying to explore my life and trying to have to share with you my travel vlog. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. So hot.